Hello, my name's Hazel and I'm going to tell you about our plant of the week. Here we have Hydrangea Macrophylla and specifically the Mophead Hydrangeas. So these are shrubs. They lose their leaves in the winter, but in the summer they produce these big rounded mass of florets. And they come in all different colours, from blues and pinks, whites, reds, even bi-coloured. They just look wonderful all the way through the summer. Now, to grow hydrangeas, you need good, fertile, moist, well-drained soil. So the word hydra refers to the water. Some of them will say that you can have them in full sun, but if you do have them in full sun, then it does need to be good and moist. Otherwise, you'll find that the flowers will go quite crispy in the summer. So they do prefer partial shade. Every year, give them a good mulch with some organic matter. You can give them a feed in spring as well. Now, it's quite well known that blue hydrangeas, if they're not grown in acidic soil, will actually go pink. There is a special compound that you can add to soil that will help to encourage the blooms to stay blue, but that will only work if you're already on acidic soil. If you're on chalky soil, you'll need to grow them in a pot of ericaceous compost because there's just too much alkaline in the soil, because they do need to be really very acidic in order to get that blue colour. You also need to choose a hydrangea that is meant to be blue. So obviously this white hydrangea, the red hydrangea, they won't be blue just by putting them in acidic soil. You need to choose a variety that is blue. So on alkaline soil, they'll grow, the blue ones will show up as pink, but you can get lovely white varieties, you can get red varieties, just really vibrant colour all summer long. And just a note about pruning, so leave these flower heads on through the winter, because that flower head, even though it's dried out, will protect the buds underneath. And then in mid-spring, you can take the flower heads off down to where you'll see two good strong buds growing up through. And that's how you look after them. So keep them nice and moist in the summer, bit of shade, and prune them in mid-spring. And they're just fantastic shrubs. So you can get them from about 60 centimetres that will grow to 2 metres. So there's something that will fit every garden.